Welcome back, guys. I got a new seat for the Honda. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. And for those of you who are new to my channel, what you're looking at is my 1971 Honda CB350 that I restored and slash resto mod, if you will. Now what we're going to talk to today is the seat. What is up with that seat? I've had many people ask me what is going on with that seat. Is it a seat or did a loaf of bread make love to a sofa? Okay, so most of the work done to this bike I did myself except for two things. One is the powder coating and two was this seat. Now I know that sounds like I'm trying to throw the blame somewhere else, but I'm not. I take full responsibility for this bike. And this seat was done by an upholsterer who at that time was right down the street from me and does great work. And I told him I wanted a custom made seat, and I guess kind of a lack of communication on my part, and so it is what it is. But I will say one thing for this seat: it is very, very comfortable. I mean, look at that. But we're going to replace this seat with the one I just bought. Now I got this seat on eBay by a seller that goes by daytrader-07, or you can go right to their website at texavina.com. And they pretty much make custom-made seats for just about any motorcycle imaginable, and you can have a custom-made seat without doing any modifications to the frame. And so how cool is that? I mean, look at that. I mean, it's so far I'm very impressed with it. This is a tuck and roll. It's got, you know, real low profile. I also love the way it kind of sweeps up in the front here. Now I came across these seats by watching a few other YouTube channels, and they got good reviews. Big shout out to them. And I was told to expect you know, a month in shipping, at least a month, but I got this seat and I don't think it was a week. Maybe I got lucky, I don't know. But anyway, let's get the other seat off so we can get this one on. I can't wait. Alright guys, the Honda has a new seat. Boy, what a difference that makes. So give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. More to come on this bike. I'm going to be doing a LED upgrade on the headlight. I like to put electronic ignition and maybe upgrade the charging system. So more to come on the Honda CB. And so with that, you guys ride safe and thanks for watching.